So today I'm walking through Cannock Chase, so doing a route that starts at Rugeley train station and goes on through to Hensford train station. I've just climbed up the hill and there's lovely views out to the north